Ooh, I know I look crazy, but I got the new iPhone Pro Max. And I just want to see how this camera works when I record myself doing everything. So I'm going to record myself doing my makeup. Wash this off my face. Do my makeup. Please don't mind my nails. Do my makeup. And we gonna see. By the way, this is a face mask. And it's lighting up my dark spots really, really good. So I'm gonna keep using it. I'm just, y'all catching me down bad, but I don't even care. Yo, on my new phone, just to see how good the camera is, since they say the camera is better. Let me put some on my lips because they dry. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. Yes, I do. I'm lying. So I'm just going to start off by doing my eyebrows. The turmeric dyed my nails.
Yeah. You didn't know that was going to happen?
I knew it, but I just didn't want it to happen, you know? I'll be there, so just call me.
Okay.
But they'll come visit. You can't if you don't do it, then who will? You know, like my aunt was the first one out of my mom and my other aunt of my grandparents' children to venture off and do her own thing. She works for the government and she lives in Virginia. We're from I'm from Delaware. They're from Philly. So it's just like they had to adapt to change a lot. And although it might be scary, your family is only a phone call away. Granted, you alone, but you'll meet new people and make new connections, and you won't feel as alone once you start to open up. Don't be too friendly. Do what everybody else don't like doing together. So because I have a friend, she is from California, and when I tell you that I feel like we're the same person, like literally the same person, just on different coasts, like we're really the same person, and it's so weird to me, but she's not everybody's cup of tea, but I like her, so you know, like just stuff like that, like y'all have a different bond than anyone else. People may not see that person the way you see them.
So, you said y'all look the same person. Who would consider that your best friend?
Well, I already have a best friend. We are very close. She has a best friend too. I don't know. I don't want to overstep any boundaries. We just kind of met, you know. But I just went home this past weekend and she had came over. Because she's in Baltimore, so whenever she's on this coast and not at home, my mom told her that she has a home at our house. So she wanted to, whenever she gets homesick, she wants to come over. My mom said she's more than welcome to. So she wanted to come over this weekend. So I went home and we just hung out this weekend. But like, we like a lot of the same things, a lot of the same music, a lot of the same movies. Our moms brought us up kind of the same way. Like, it's just really weird. Like, you never know. Like, I just feel like it's weird. Like, and I met her through a girl who was in my English class. We were all in the same English class, but I didn't really talk to her at first. My friend Ajane, she was friends with her first because they had the same major. And I was like, oh, she seems like a cool person. we all just started hanging out. I'm a very impatient person. I need to stop saying that, but I really am, Nia. Like, I'm very impatient. Like, I want everything like right then and there. And things that are out of order like make me very anxious. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Indecisiveness and somebody who's like unorganized or don't have their stuff together, it makes me so anxious. Like, I become so frustrated. I don't understand why, but that's just that person I am. My dad is a very impatient person.
So am I.
So I feel like I get it from him. But I don't want to keep saying I get everything bad from him. But I think I do get it from my dad, because everybody on my mom's side has, well, like, they have patience. So I don't know. But my dad, when it's time to go, it's time to go. When he wants you to do something, it's time to do it. If you don't do it, then I had to answer to him. I don't even know what I'm doing. What? Yeah.
Like orangey.
Yep.
Orange.
Yep. We on the same page. But I just don't know, like, I'ma see. That's what I'm feeling though. I feel like every eyeshadow look has to have a cut crease now. I don't know why.
Why?
I just love doing them. I feel like I feel out of place if my
Pieces and cuts.
yes. I just feel like it looks bad. I'm just like, ugh. I love doing it.
I say you go out of the box and don't do a cut crease.
Well, I already kind of started that, so.
Okay.
This would look like up close. I throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma be on the TV, mama, mama. Hey, hey. That's it right there.
You said you're bad at math.
Yes, ma'am. Don't ask me no questions about that. Okay, so clearly it worked. Like, look. But it's still early. I'm not really a morning person, but I'm on my way to class.